stop confusing your users with irrelevant fields. Paymattic's conditional logic creates smart forms that adapt to user choices for a frictionless experience that increases satisfaction and conversions. Let's get started. From the dashboard, create a new form or edit an existing one. Select a field that you want to set up conditional logic and get to the settings. Here, go to the Advanced tab. Okay, just click this to enable the conditional logic. So let's do that. Here, you can set whether all the conditions have to match or not. Now, select the input field that needs to be matched. Choose the condition and set the value. You can set as many conditions as you want. If you add a condition accidentally, delete it. Once done, hit the Update button. Follow the same steps after adding another field. Finally, don't forget to save everything because we don't want to lose what we just did. And there you have it. As easy as pie. So, go harness the potential of conditional logic in Paymattic forms to craft personalized experiences and streamline your processes.